Alright, the date is 27th of December 2021 and the time right now is 7:19 p.m. I think it's been probably over a month or more since I made a video, since I recorded a video. And the purpose of this video is to just reflect upon what I'm doing so far. Like I'm wasting a lot of time. The time that I can spend learning something, reading some books, going through some courses, or just exploring my passions. I want to learn more about astrology, cosmos, and other interests that I have. Not passions, I use the wrong word as passions, but it's what I mean is I could have explored my other interests and, uh, you know, really explored my interests and grow my knowledge more in those areas than waste time. I know I've had this problem earlier a couple of times and I solved it, so I'm just making this video again to make myself accountable. I'm wasting time on this game that I started playing again that I used to play 5 to 6 years ago called VHack. Now it's Revolution, VHack Revolution version, and I'm already in the top 300 players. I just started 2 weeks ago. I'm in the top 300 players, which should tell you how obsessively I've played this game. There are people that have been playing this for almost 2 to 3 years that are in the top 100, 200, 300, and I just started playing this 2 weeks ago and I'm in top 300. So it's been like an addiction. And then um, I'm wasting my time watching random shit, YouTube videos, Twitter, movies and series. I know it's kind of a dopamine hit for my brain, like right now my dopamine hitting is in such a way that I'm not able to go without that even for a while. I need to have either some kind of typing or swiping on the phone, not Instagram, um, switching from Telegram to WhatsApp, that kind of swiping, either that kind of swiping or opening this game that I just talked about, or some kind of dopamine hit has to come to my body, to my brain every while, like every once in a while. So that is the current situation right now. My hair has grown a lot. Looking, it's like it has grown a lot. I just woke up, to be honest. I'm still in my blankets, blankies. Wow, I don't know where that came from. Okay, anyway, so the point I'm trying to make is I'm wasting a lot of time while I could have spent the time doing something else, doing something productive. I lost my habit of going to gym because of my sister's marriage, which happened on 19th of December. Yeah, 19th of December. It was great, except the food part was mismanaged and it was almost a flop in the food part. But yeah, I don't know why I'm sharing that irrelevant detail right now. But keeping that aside, the marriage was great. Everything was great, but because of the marriage and stuff, I lost the habit of my gym. I don't know. I think it's more of an excuse that I gave myself to stop going to gym because I realized I cannot reduce my belly fat by the time of marriage because I joined gym probably in October and I wanted to reduce my belly fat to almost flat level, which was unrealistic expectation. You know, after I realized that, I started giving myself excuses saying, Acha, it's not going to happen now anyway, so let me just take a break for the marriage and then come back stronger, whatnot. But I should get my fitness habit on track because of the reasons that I have. One is I want a good look good for myself, feel fit, and then I should stop my one more bad habit. I'm not gonna say what that is right on camera, but I know what that is. I actually went without it for almost 40 days, and then for some reason I broke the streak and started using it again. I mean, started that habit again. So that's there. Um, these two things have to get on track, and then I have to start. I have to really start reading books. 2021, I don't think I even finished one single book. That's so not me, Till 2020, I probably completed 12 books. And 2019, 2018, 2017, I read a lot of books. 2021, I've not read a single book. Doesn't mean I did not learn anything. I've learned a lot of things in 2021, technical things, not personal development. Technical things I've learned a lot in 2021 in the form of videos and courses, but in the form of books, not so much. But I don't know why I stopped doing that. I love reading books, but I just can't seem to get myself to do that, because it's not as entertaining. I'm not reading novels, right? So it's not entertaining. It's not as much uh, inducing my brain with dopamine. Yeah, that's the thing. My brain is not getting the dopamine when I'm reading the books or going to the courses or doing whatever that I have to do, like maintaining fitness or the other things that I just talked about. So I'm not doing it, but I should start getting my life back on track, which means avoid dopamine as much as possible, deprive myself of the dopamine, and then start going through courses, read books, explore your interests, start focusing on your fitness again, start reading books. I think I already mentioned that. If I did not, start reading books and courses and all of that stuff. So that is there. One more thing is, always when I start doing this thing to deprive myself of not getting dopamine into my brain unnecessarily, like by watching WhatsApp messages or some crap like that, you get the idea, right? So the question I get is, what should I do then? What should I do with the time that I have on my hands? For which I give myself answer as go through courses, read books, etc. But that's just not as interesting, and I'm not able to get myself to do it. If I can solve this problem for myself, I'm pretty sure I can help thousands of people, thousands or not lakhs of people, hundreds of thousands of people who are going through the same issue as me. So I have to figure out a way. I have to be the path creator on how to break this dopamine addiction. I'm pretty sure some people outside must have done it. So I should explore those options as well on what other people have done when they face the same issue. Damn, I should really get a pin and hairpin and keep it there. Yeah, so I should do that. So see how I break back into my old habit of getting into dopamine addiction via watching TV series or movies or whatnot. Is when I'm eating my food, I need to have some sort of soothing entertainment for some reason. I don't know it's good or bad. A lot of people say it's bad. Personally, I don't know if it's serving me or working against me. I mean, in a sense, it's working against me because even though throughout the day I don't watch anything, but while I'm eating, I just start watching some entertainment, and then from that point of time for the rest of the day, I just keep watching it, watching something, doing something that I'm not supposed to do. So that's how I'm going to get into the habit again, bad habits that I wanted to avoid again. So I need to figure out how I can bypass this. Like I figured some ways, like I can watch Tom and Jerry or Mr. Bean that I've downloaded and kept in my laptop. But they don't seem to be working. I need more addiction, more dopamine hit. Maybe if I deprive myself enough, Tom and Jerry or Doraemon, stuff like that will suffice. You know. Should see. Although the struggle has been real, I'll record one more video regarding trading. I don't think I've been uploading any videos, so let's see. Although I'm recording my videos now and then, but I'm not uploading them because I have to edit and do a lot of crap. Not much crap, but I just don't know. I'm just not uploading. I don't want to upload because this is not for public. This is more for myself, like a diary of my journey, stuff like that, right? So I don't know. That could just be an excuse that I'm giving myself. It's all complicated, or maybe it's too simple, but I'm not able to see it. Whatever the reason is, this is what I'm feeling and going through right now. The time right now is 7:29 p.m. Today's date is 27th of December. Like I said in the starting of the video, signing off.